Yo, come with me real quick as I'm about to go close on this deal. This was my first time marketing to this county, and I get to sell it. We negotiated on the price. He knew I was gonna market the property and everything, so he gave me 2 months to get the deal done. The good thing is it's not as much risk because I already have a buyer. There's still a little bit of risk because the buyer can decide to cancel at any time, right? That's pretty much the details that's going on with the deal. So come on, let's go. So I'm on the way to the notary right now. If you don't know any notaries around you, the UPS usually has somebody that's able to do notaries for you. But I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm pretty excited about this deal, but I don't wanna get too excited because I'm gonna purchase them and I already have a buyer lined up to buy for like basically almost 100K more. So I don't want to get like too excited because I don't have the money yet. When I get the money, I'm gonna be excited, you feel me? I'm about to hop in this place, man, get this shit notarized. I'm gonna try to document it, but I know I can't document all the paperwork. I'm just gonna show you guys stuff and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, I had to come back home because I needed to print these papers. That's what's printing back there. Usually when you're buying properties, like at least from my experience, they just send you PDF documents, but I guess this market is just a little bit different. Like I mentioned, this is my first time in this market and I'm literally about to close a deal. So I'm just trying to see exactly how to do business and stuff like that. So yeah, man, I'm about to print these papers out and then I'm gonna go ahead and to get it notarized. All right, guys, so yeah, man, that was basically it. Getting into my wood right now. Usually they will send me a return label, but she didn't send me one. So I have to find out how she wants me to send it to her. Does she want me to take a picture? I don't know. I have to call her. Let me call her right now, see if she picks up. She said I can email back. In the middle of me getting that notary, I got sent another closing document because I'm buying these properties, man. The only reason I'm buying these properties is because I'm buying them for such a cheap price, man. And I'm pretty sure I can make 15 G's from them. I'm gonna have to just see. I'm buying them right now for 5,000 and I'm trying to resell it for 10,000. We're gonna see exactly how that goes and I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. Anyways, I'm about to go back into the crib. I'm gonna grab some food. If you guys are trying to tap in, man, you guys gotta tap in with me. Let's get some work, man. Let me show you guys how I do this, how you guys can be able to do these type of deals. It's definitely not easy, but it is pretty simple, man. Let's go. Check me out, man. Check me out.